to be in it.
Praise the Lord.
Off to get
On an adventure.
off to get iced coffee
And lip balm.
and lip balm.
So nice. Wait, it's a red man.
Oh boy.
Yeah, but it's green on the
Oh, okay.
There's no trams that go across it.
Ashley,
Ashley's ignoring it.
Ashley.
What? Oh.
He's a vlog.
It's so hot.
So hot. I feel like I'm in Australia now.
Yeah.
Like the first few days it wasn't too hot, but I like it.
We need iced coffee.
On our mission, yeah.
And we just withdrew money and it came out as in 50s.
50, and I got a pineapple. Like how much?
I got a 50. Got a pineapple.
Pineapple.
What are we supposed to say when that?
Do we say it is a pineapple?
That's what I was told last year. It was called pineapple.
Pineapple? Pineapple. Like how much? Oh, we're here.
You're too busy vlogging. You missed another.
We missed the coffee.
We've locked the fridge.
Can I help that?
I'm sorry, but that's not opening. Is it just us? Oh, okay, no.
That was embarrassing.
That was so bad.
I've gone for jalapeno and chili.
Oh, these are that was the banana chip thing that Jack got yesterday.
Yeah.
He was munching away in like 2 seconds.
And then this is what my boss told me to get, burger rings. You think I should get some?
I'm kind of hungry now.
Beef jerky.
Rain waves. Do you think they're like sun bites?
No, it says some, but it's on them.
Oh.
Is that it done?
No, that doesn't
Oh,
look
I was like, where's the coffee?
milk.
Oh wait, there's no. Oh, there is. Okay.
Put this in after us. Where's the straw from? Oh, there.
How much did you put in? Just one. Oh, around here.
No, I put it in while it was doing it, so it kind of all mixed together.
Oh god, I've made a mess. I'm getting
Get a new lid. Such a weight. Oh, but they're filming it. I didn't even realise.
So what did you say about the shop lady?
Thought it was very funny that you were vlogging everything.
Because the freezer was broken as well, and she thought that was really entertaining. She's like, "You've made my day." I was like, "Welcome," and I was like, "Yeah, we're not from around here." She's like, "Yeah, I can kind of tell." The accent's a subtle hint.
Oh gosh. So first we tried
I've already eaten
burger
mine.
rings.
I know that.
Now we're trying chili, which
You know what we
is.
should get? You know, there's like Russian roulette of the Doritos with spicy. You should do that.
Yeah, but I love all of them. So
Yeah, that's true.
It's
It's
not
not
really a
bad for
challenge.
you. Don't smack her smell.
So good.
Wanna try one?
These are
Eva?
really spicy. Oh, I got like the biggest one.
Oh, I think I might have had these.
Do you like spicy?
Yeah, yeah. But that helps. I think really spicy.
I don't know. Hey, we haven't cheers.
Oh, cheers. Oh, it's very tingly.
A little hot.
Oh, I don't like it. That's so spicy.
Cooking pasta. For dinner later when we're too lazy to
lazy
cook
to cook
anything.
Takes so long.
Oh, that's actually really good by the way, doesn't it?
Look at us here.
Oh, I feel like I'm in the way
In the way what?
of your video.
Oh, you get in the video. The bottle's taking more room than you are. Right, we need to dry them. Do we have anything to dry them there?
Oh, here, is that cheese one? Maybe.
Yeah, that's a dirty pasta, and this one should be like the one that
Guys, this is food first.
Oh no, we're going
We're
somewhere
going
else.
to-
So, and then
food
we're going
in
to go
the-
to the
That's why I heard.
Boat bar.
CBD.
and then we're going to
Oh.
go to the bar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll try and get in contact with Grace first.
Grace is,
Yeah.
Because she'd love a drink.
These guys, Grace and Kieran, had a gin at
At
11
like
o'clock.
We were like breakfast gin.
And what was
Well,
your
excuse me,
excuse?
it
What
was
was
12.
coffee?
What was your
12.
excuse? Say your
What,
excuse.
it's 12 o'clock somewhere.
No. Your excuse about the coffee?
Oh, about the coffee? Oh, yeah, I couldn't find a coffee, so I had
So
a
they
drink.
settled with gin. I wouldn't say no. We should mix the two.
What, gin and coffee?
Gin and coffee. What would that taste like?
Okay,
Has anyone done that?
well, we'd be on the
we
floor.
just closed or something.
We'll have a go.
They go, oh, goon.
Goon.
Made it to Flinders Street.
Wait, what?
Flinders Street.
Flinders Street.
Blood on your skin, painted gold on your feet. If you're gonna lean into me, make sure you feel the heat.
So we're going to a museum. And look how pretty this is.
You can take what you want, but when you take it from me, I'll make sure that you fall upon the floor down to your knees. I'm betting on a miracle to give me peace.
We've lost our friends.
No joke, we actually have those. Where have they gone?
Oh, it is actually like water. Oh. I thought it was behind the glass. I was just about to walk into the water.
We've actually lost them.
We've lost our friends.
Where have they gone?
Okay, that's the exit, so that's the entrance.
They're both dead.
I don't like it. This is really close. Hello.
Sesame Street right now. Is it owned by
Yellow.
Disney?
Oh, I
Is
thought
it
it was
owned
a
by
character.
I think so. Because
Didn't
Mickey
someone
Mouse
take it over?
carrying the dead Elmo. Because Disney has killed Sesame Street. Exactly. I don't know. Maybe.
No, I think it's more about Jesus Christ with the
Yeah, but
with
we're
his
relaying
mother.
it. We're relaying it
Yeah,
to what
and
the
this is what
characters-
relates to us. This is art. We choose what
backpacker
relates
version
to
of
us.
So Annalise wants to go down there, and down there is some very artistic toilets.
It looks like art. See, I was
Oh, this one's ticketed. Yeah.
Oh no,
We should get
abandoned
to the
ship.
toilets. We're gonna win everyone's space.
What?
Let's go up.
Okay, what is free?
Should we go from here? Oh, that's ticket. That's tickets. Should we go upstairs
What is free?
to get in and see everything?
To get in and see that
Good
one.
lighting. My foot on the.
They're still down there, and we've got on the escalator. Where are they going? Here they come. Here come the boys. Oh, it's swearing.
Decided to join us.
How dare you abandon us? Is that a
But we
giant
have to
tea
like
bag?
design our own.
What is that? Is that a tea bag? Oh no, it's a dress.
It's like a tea bag dress. Imagine on a night out, like, I love your dress. Where'd you get it from? Tea bag.
We're gonna sit and play musical chairs. We are children.
Yeah, this place is cool. Is that like a living house there?
Yeah. Looks like the Michelin Man.
The Australian Michelin. They wanted to sit on art.
What, who's sitting on the art?
They're sitting on the art.
Why are you sitting on the art?
It's like they're sitting on the musical chair.
The sitting, that is art. Actually, to be fair, what if it actually
I
is
think
art?
it is. Like, that's what the Tate Modern is.
I sat on a chair. Oh no, there's some
sat on
chairs there
art.
as well. I think it is for when people want to sit.
Those people lost the game. There's not enough left.
Oh no.
Oh, we just got boobs.
Wait, quick, get it off our face.
How do you do that? Why is it?
Can we just have it without anything?
No, I don't think so.
I don't want that
I
one.
don't know, it doesn't look good.
Yeah, that one will do.
Oh, are you mad?
Yeah, like, is there someone inside?
Oh, it's the video inside that's the art.
Asking for a miracle, just you and me.
bar down here. We're going down here. Yeah, I think so. So I just went down those little stairs. Water and banana.
Americans can do
Bananas are really expensive.
Oh my god,
It's like a luxury. It's not an essential.
Yeah.
We put a bunch of bananas down. It said like $4.50 and it came to $8.50.
Even the guy at the till was like, yeah, that's quite a lot
Yeah.
for a banana.
So then we instead of having 6, we ended up with 2 and a giant bottle of water.
Because I get so thirsty in our room.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
Look at the view.
There's a lot of fruit picking.
Look at the view.
So it's usually nothing.
Look at the view behind us.
Yeah, there's animal stuff.
Cause it's never enough. So what hell will you play?
That was my first Coon experience.
Is it too much to ask if I
How do you
should
feel?
go or I should stay? In the moment of doubt, put your hand on the flame.
Can you just
You need to remind yourself that you could.
This is Alex.
Alex.
Say hello.
He's also in the party room, so that's decent.
Say hello.
You gotta get used to the vlog.
You will have to adjust. It is a fast.
You're not red.
Here we are. Why am I so red? Have I sunburned?
We're yellow.
No, but like my face is red.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My forehead is still red.
We look quite cute in this lighting
It's the
though.
only time I've ever won.
Oh my.
Oh, my ponytail just flicked you out the way.
Guys, you've got a smile.
I'm amazing at that.
Oh, Alex is good. Like he actually wants to be in it.
Ella. His face.
Your face is still red.
That's what I said. Our face
My
is all
forehead
really
is
red.
still red.
Right, we're trying again. We've got a little audience.
I don't like this.
You're sabotage. Oh.
Here we go!
Go on.
Oh,
Vlogger.
To give you
It actually was. It was like a very good.
I mean, I think my look is not.
I'm betting on a miracle. Give me peace. Not asking for a miracle. Just you and me.
Do you want a grape?
Yeah, watch it.